Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove unwanted object from your video using Filmora 14 for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have edited my video, and for example, I'm going to remove this tags from my video. If we want to remove something from our video, we need to duplicate our video first. I'm going to right click on my video and then select duplicate. Okay, and you can make it as an overlay like this, and after that we're going to go to the mask option. I'm going to click on my video, and then we're going to select mask here, and then you can choose the shape of the mask. For example, I'm just going to choose the circle mask, and we can take another part of our video to cover the unwanted object. Okay, you can select the another part like this. Okay, and once you're done, you can go to the basic, and you're going to drag the mask to cover the unwanted object. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. You can zoom in or zoom out. I'm going to zoom in. Alright, and to make it more natural, you can adjust the lightness or the color. I'm going to go to the color, and I'm going to adjust the brightness just a little bit. I'm going to make it around 3. Okay, like this guys, and this is for the result. And I know that it's not perfect, and maybe it can't be applied to all type of videos, but at least here I show you the trick. Okay, wait, let me adjust the contrast as well, and the highlight. Okay, I think it looks better than before. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove unwanted object from our video for free in Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.